Figma Course. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Open your browser and type in figma.com. On the home page, click Design at the top of the screen to enter the workspace. Now you're in the workspace. At the bottom of the screen, you'll find Figma tools. The first tool is the Move tool, which allows you to move elements within your project. Next is the Frame tool, used to create canvas sizes for your design projects. Then, there's the Shape tool, which lets you create shapes. You can choose various shapes by clicking the drop-down arrow next to it. The Pen tool allows you to create custom paths and shapes. The Text tool is used to add text to your design. Figma also includes plugin tools, which you can access to find and use various plugins that help speed up your workflow and simplify your design process. On the left side of the screen, you can view the layers of all the elements in your project. You can also click Assets to access reusable components. On the right side, you will find full control settings for your selected element, including position, layout, appearance, and effects.